Run it your way. Fact or fiction? I have to use a John Deere dealer to repair my equipment. Fiction. Customers can use their John Deere dealer, an alternative service provider, or do the work themselves. We empower customers to choose how their equipment is maintained, diagnosed, and repaired. Only dealers can reprogram John Deere equipment. Fiction. With Operation Center Pro service, reprogramming work can be completed by anyone, including dealers, alternative service providers, or customers. Only new or connected machines can be repaired by customers. Fiction. Older machines can be repaired too. Customers can get a retrofit telematics kit installed on their machine. They can also use an electronic data link to hook up their machine to a computer to get diagnostic information. Only John Deere dealers can diagnose equipment. Fiction. Operation Center Pro service allows customers to diagnose, maintain, and repair equipment on their own. John Deere doesn't publish its operator manuals. Fiction. Operator manuals are free with every machine. The information is also available for free on Operation Center and Service Overview and on Equipment Mobile. The expanded digital toolkit from John Deere offers greater access to use, maintain, diagnose, repair, and protect your equipment. Fact. True ownership includes having the tools you need to get the most out of your machine. Learn more at Deere.com/runityourway.